What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. If you guys missed my very last video, just go ahead and click right here. I showed everything here in this super huge store. And yes, you guys, we do have brand new products this week. New cleaning products, a few new scents, always a great deal getting it here at Dollar Tree. But again, if you missed that very last one, just go back to the last video and check it out. But we are about to start right here because this store is huge and I'm seeing lots of new items like these. Ooh, we have a limited edition Cotton Cloud Dream spray. And I definitely want to try this out. Let me put it in my cart. Cotton Cloud Spray. We also have some new spray. This brand is Wise. It's a smoke odor eliminator. And the scent that we have available to us is Alps Breeze. It's my first time ever seeing that brand. And then we have Sure Scents. We have lemon, apple cinnamon. We have scents from Airwick. We have magnolia and cherry blossom. We have amber woods, ooh, by Sure Scents. I wonder if that's anything like the wood Febreze, which I really like. My husband's like, I don't know if I really like that one, but I think it smells pretty nice. So we have Wizard, we have Glade, Aqua Waves, we have Fresh New Day. That's a fresh linen scent. Lots and lots from Airwick. We even have an Airwick 6-in-1. Lasts up to 1 hour. This is with essential oils. White, lilac, and orange blossom. Ooh. It smells okay. I really wanted to show these to you guys. Bamboo and Lotus, a non-aerosol air freshener room mist. Bamboo and Lotus. We have Gardenia. These are 9.47 ounces. And we have Berry. Kind of exciting. And then we have these little cuties from Glade. I really don't know what they are. I think they're just the little gels, but they're kind of cute and little. We have, what scent is this? Citrus, but it's like the writing's right there. I can barely read it. I think it's like a citrus. And then we have Clean Linen. And then we have Floral Perfection. Cute new little gel scents. All of the disinfectant sprays. And we have even more for our homes. Fresh linen, amber woods, just a ton of them. We have the Airwicks, plus we have the warmers. We have the toilet bowl sprays, apple cinnamon, berry blast. We have Hawaiian. What's this one? Fresh linen, lavender and chamomile, vanilla and pink papaya. So many to choose from. Just wanted to see if we had anything new over here. I think these are new. One size large pair of gloves. The brand is Wipeout. We also have pink gloves and yellow gloves. I got the little heart ones. We just need one. We forgot one. No, let me get one. 3 packs of sponges. Ooh, I like the pink. The pretty pink. The Brillo erasers. I bought a couple of these, but I haven't used them yet because I currently have a Scrub Daddy and a scrub mommy in use, so I don't need to open up a new one. But the theory of that is the same as a scrub mommy and a scrub daddy, where it softens up in the heat and then gets hard in the cold. And it's a cute little size. Okay. Wow, we have lots of remnants here. Utility mats. This is my first time seeing this size. It's a nice little size. Maybe it can just go on a step. Oh, I think the butterflies might be new. These are microfiber. Frosted window film. Frosted window film. Interesting. Nice little idea. And I saw these last week. The little stainless steel drinking straw kit with the cleaner.
Not the engine. I mean, the field's not bolts.
Okay, let's see if we have any new dishes over here. It's been quite a while since I've done an OMG, oh my glassware video. Look, you guys, these are the new spring dishes. Not dishes, but cups. Spring makes me smile. Aww. Spring makes me smile too. Spring makes me smile. Those are definitely brand new. Two bowls to a pack. Wow, we have a lot of choices over here. A lot of liner paper. This is sort of the vinyl top. And then we have the paper up here. I don't think we went down this aisle, did we? I always like to come down this aisle and see if we have any name brand cereal, and guess what? I just found the last box of multigrain Cheerios with real strawberries. Had to grab that. Oh, and I think these are new also. Yogurt and honey biscuits. Definitely new. And then we also have these large boxes of Honey Nut Toasted Oats, 12 ounces, also 12 ounces of the Sesame Street, and 5-ounce bags of the Granola Clusters by Sunbest. This one is peanut butter, 1 gram of saturated fat per quarter cup. We also have this one. This is honey with super seeds. Well, you guys, I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna see if there's anything else I wanna film in this location. I love filming here for you guys, but I am planning on heading to another city out of state to film for you guys today. So I kind of have to keep it moving. But it was so much fun coming in this location and filming for you guys. Again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna film anymore. I just have to check out maybe 1 or 2 more aisles, but if you can, head to a big store because big stores always have so much. But all right, you guys, I love you so much. Thanks for joining me here in Dollar Tree. If you're brand new, definitely hit the like button and consider subscribing. Also consider leaving a comment and interact with the video. It really does help let YouTube know that you are interested in the content that you just watched. But all right, you guys, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.